Today is a great celebration. You have to celebrate today. Matrics, you've reached a fundamental milestone in your short lives. Jy weet, vandag, today signals the end of your school career. En het vinnig gebeur, nee? Mens dink toe julle net nou gekyk het, toe in graad 8 jy ingestap het met 'n baadjie wat te groot was vir jou, en jou skoene wat lekker geruik het, wat so 'n bietjie paar sizes te groot vir jou, want jou ma wou 'n paar jaar uit hulle uitgekry het, nee? Ja. Dis hierdie laaste dag, is die laaste dag van jou formele skoolloopbaan. Maar glo my, hoor wat ek nou sê, glo my, julle gaan nog baie terug verlang. Some of you may have feelings like, at this stage, sadness, maybe confusion, maybe loss. Maar julle is ook buite julle self van vreugde. Tog bly die onsekerheid in jou kop uitsteek. Dis alles normaal, glo my. Maar geniet elke oomblik vandag. Geniet dit. We take so many things for granted. Ons het gewoond geraak daaraan dat ons lewens presies verloop, glad verloop. En dat ons weet waarin ons op pad is. En nou ewe skielik het ons aan die einde van hierdie goed beplande pad gekom. Ons moet nou 'n ander rigting inslaan met ons toekoms. Ons het die einde bereik van ons 12 jaar plan. You completed this part of your journey with great achievements and also beautiful memories. A great adventure awaits you as you go from the safety of this controlled environment to one where you are far more at liberty to choose your own path. Ek glo julle is almal reg om hierdie veilige omgewing vandag te verlaat. En daar wag groot en baie avonture daar buite vir julle. Maar nou gaan julle self die rigting van jou toekoms bepaal. Die vooruitsig van meer vryheid en verantwoordelikheid lê en wag vir julle daar buite. En ek is vas oortuig dat die Hoërskool Brackenfell vir jou goed voorberei het vir hierdie uitdagings wat vir jou wag. I'm proud of your achievements over the years. All your successes, from the academic side all the way to sport and cultural activities. You made memories. Al hierdie herinneringe en gebeurtenisse is wat ons die lewe noem. I want to share the following with you. Ons wonderlike Godgegewe lewe is nie 'n kleuterrepetisie nie. Is nie 'n kleuterrepetisie nie. Elke oomblik moet jy sien as kosbaar. Neem besit daarvan en maak die meeste van elke geleentheid, elke dag. Ek lees vir die volgende. Life is nothing but moments. That fight you had with your best friend is just a moment. The time you were up all night finishing a project is just a moment. The night you watched the sunset with a boy you thought you're going to marry one day. It's just a moment. The interschools you won or lost. It's just a moment. The road trip that you took with your friends. It's just a moment. Every up and every down, and everything in between is just a moment that passes with time. You may remember these moments, and you may not. But what you will remember is the people you spent them with and the way you felt. Appreciate the moment you've been given and the people you've been giving it to spend with. Because no matter how beautiful or tragic a moment is, it always ends. Life is therefore just a moment. So hold on a little tighter. Smile a little bigger. Cry a little harder, laugh a little louder, and forgive a little quicker. Because these are the moments you will remember when you get old like me, and wishing you would rewind time, and wish you could rewind time. One life, it's your life. Grab it with passion and keep on going. George Bernard Shaw het gesê, life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. In Spreuke 3 vers 5 en 6 lees ons die volgende: vertrou volkome op die Here en moenie op jou eie insigte staat maak nie. Ken hom in alles wat jy doen en hy sal jou die regte pad laat loop. Try to live a life of no regrets. En weet, die Here is altyd by jou. Vertrou hom. Dit is 'n uitdagende wêreld daar buite. Do not lose focus. Parents, en die kinders hou gewoonlik as ek hierdie stukkie sê, luister mooi, parents, encourage your child. Dis nou vir eksamen. Help them to plan a realistic timetable to study. Keep the noise level down in the house. Pa, ma. Nou hier kom die lekker deel vir hulle altyd. Spoil them with a cup of coffee or maybe a chocolate. Anything to show them that you care and that you are there for them. And this is important, please parents. Plan your household around their studies. Pa, moenie braai die aand voor hulle wiskunde skryf nie asseblief. Be positive and motivate them every day. Look at their timetables. Be involved. An involved parent is a happy parent. Remember, be involved and be informed. It is important that they have an isolated, quiet area where they can study. En dan is dit nou tyd vir my te groet. Matrics, onthou die Here stap met jou die pad en is daar om elkeen van julle te seën, sodat jy 'n uitnemende lewe tot sy eer kan leef. Ek dank u.
Hallo julle, ek was gevra om dit kort en kragtig te hou. Good luck, try your best, don't give up. Thank you. Just kidding. I'm sorry. Geagte meneer Muller, personeel, ouers, graad 11s en ons eregaste Matrics van 2023. Kan julle glo hierdie rowwe, fantastiese, soms bietjie vervelig met die skoolwerk, maar amazing jaar is verby. Nie net die jaar nie, maar ons skoolloopbaan. Laat daarin net gou soos bietjie insink. We went from scared little grade 8s to Matrics writing our final exams. Honestly, that's crazy. I feel like we should have been more prepared for how fast high school was going to fly past us. Vandag stap ons uit. Alhoewel ons klaar is met klasloop, is daar 'n groot taak wat voorlê. Ek wil julle nou nie te veel laat stres nie, maar al wat ek daaroor sal sê is, dit help nie jy was vir 12 jaar op skool om dit nou aan die einde op te mors nie. Jy het nie deur al die drama en skoolwerk gegaan net om dit nou weg te gooi nie. Gee dit net jou alles. En dit is letterlik omtrent 'n maand wat jy dit alles moet gee. Come on, it's the least you can do for yourself. Dan natuurlik ons steunpilaar, van ons skoolloopbaan. Wie ons vervoer was, ons kosblikke gepak het, ons skoolklere gewas het. En sonder om enigiets terug te verwag. Dankie aan ons ouers en ons voogte wat daar was vir ons deur alles. Ons waardeer julle verskriklik baie. Last but certainly not least, I want to thank every single teacher for 5 years of putting up with us. You helped us grow. Looking back, we probably won't remember any of the schoolwork we did, but we will remember you. You, the teacher, the heart of the educational system. Now that we are at the end of our careers as students, we have an opportunity to take on the world, find and pursue our passions, to grow into the best versions of ourselves, and to leave a legacy. To leave a legacy is not to get money and recognition. It is to leave those with whom you cross paths with a little more happiness and hope than before. Enjoy every moment, because a moment is only a moment until it is gone. Then it becomes a memory. I know that sounded so cliché, but at least it will fade into a memory soon. As jy ooit voel, jy het nie meer krag nie, gaan na God. Hy is nogals amazing en 'n klein eksamen is regtig waar niks vir hom nie. Vertrou op hom en sit alles in. Ek sluit dan net af met een van my gunsteling Bybelverse. Filippense 4 vers 13. We can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Matrics van 2023, ons is klaar. We are done. Thank you.
And as I was trying to figure out what I wanted to say today to motivate the matrics for the finals, for next year and for the rest of your lives, I came across something that has been really looked down upon in our lives, and that is failure. I mean, sometimes we don't really understand the power that comes with failure. We were always told when you fail, you're not enough, you're not important, and then it makes you feel bad about yourself. But guys, there's strength that's in failure. A prime example is how many times we failed a hockey, a cricket, a soccer match, and then we thought, wow, our team is actually really bad. And then your team worked harder, and your team beat that same team again like a year later. Look at interschools last year, guys. We lost by such a large margin, and then this year, our first team rugby boys came back even stronger and better, and they won interschools. I want to acknowledge the fact that there should have been someone with us in this room, standing with us. Unfortunately, he passed away last year, but I'm not going to go into too much of that. But I would like to thank Ebens Zonneveld's mother and brother for accepting our invitation and joining us today. He might not be here with us physically, but he's definitely here with us in our hearts, in our minds, and his spirit is definitely felt in this room. I know this must be a very hard time for you and the family, but just know we're all walking out here together with Eben in our hands. Seeing as though we are on the trend of recycling, I thought I'd leave you guys with a quote that I started the year off with by the great and the wise and the genius Taylor Swift. The sad part is you're on your own, kid, and you always have been. The exciting part is you're on your own, kid, and you always have been. Now, the last thing that I want to say is we may have 99 problems, but high school is no longer one. Thank you.